How to check spam messages on your Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can check your spam messages on Facebook Messenger. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First and first, simply make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Messenger app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Messenger, and if you see an update button next to the Messenger app, go ahead and tap on it in order to update the app to the latest version. Once you've updated Messenger, what you want to do is you want to simply go over and then open it right over here, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is actually going to look like. And in order to view our spam messages, all you have to do is on the very top left corner, you can see your profile picture. All you have to do is just simply tap on your profile picture on the top left, and on the list of all those options, you have to go ahead and select the one which says message request. So go ahead and then simply tap on message request. As soon as you select message request, you can see it says only get the messages you want. So right over here, you can go ahead and actually select who can message you, but basically these are some of the ones, the you may know section, which have been removed to the request folder, and the spam folder is on the right hand side, which is basically on this page. Now this, if Facebook notices that you don't know this person and this person is sending you a message, it is basically going to be moved to the spam folder. And this is the way on how you can check spam messages on your Facebook Messenger. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.